Hey guys, so today's gonna look a little bit different than my previous videos just because obviously we're starting out in my kitchen. I just decided that with the baby coming soon that I really kind of want to tackle each separate room of the house and focus on not only cleaning but decluttering and reorganizing things. So the kitchen has kind of been bothering me for a little while, and so I just went ahead and deep cleaned everything so that we can get into all of the cabinets and see what we need, what we don't need, what we can donate, and then with whatever is left, then go ahead and rearrange everything just to kind of maximize our storage space because our kitchen is pretty small. So that being said, the main areas I want to focus on for the reorganizing is anywhere that we store food. We don't really have a pantry. We have just regular cabinets that act as a pantry for us, and then we have our fridge, and we just got a new fridge that's about half the size of our old one. The old fridge didn't even fit where our fridge is supposed to go, and from a design standpoint it just made no sense with the layout of our house. I love this new fridge, however, with it being small, I would just like to put in any new organizers that I just purchased off of Amazon to kind of maximize that space and just make it more efficient. I'm gonna go ahead and kind of walk you guys through our current cabinet kitchen situation, and then so that way you can kind of have a good feel of how much of a difference this is gonna make for us. So the first thing I wanted to show you guys was these organizers that I picked up. Some of them were things that we already had around the house, but some of them are new to us. So this is an egg drawer. We go through lots of eggs, so I wanted an extra large one. We got a few Lazy Susans, some for the fridge and storing condiments, and some for our pantry and storing like oils, salt and pepper, and different spices and stuff. And then we got some produce bins, some little clear organizers that I'm planning to use as snack bins for refrigerated snacks. Our fridge used to be up against this wall, and so it took up a very large amount of space. We weren't able to have a dining table, so now you can see that our little dining area kind of flows now with our kitchen. As you can see, it is a smaller fridge, but you know, that's perfect for our family. It works, and I love this like retro design. So here's the fridge again. Over to our stove, we have some cabinet space up above, down below. And then over here we have our oven, and above the oven is a cabinet that holds any dry goods we have. Over here on the other side, we have our snacks, which as you can see are just kind of like thrown in there at the moment because it's such a small space. And then we have any mugs and cups. And then on this side we have extra cups, bowls, plates. We have cleaning supplies down below the sink. We have mixing bowls, utensils, bakeware, cookware, all of that good stuff. So now that you have seen the whole kitchen, kind of have the rundown of what everything is looking like, how we currently store things, and just how it's kind of a mess, let's get into it. Yeah. Can you say hi guys? Where are you going? Hey you! Mama has to get in there. Jude Taylor. Oh, there you are. Hi Jude. This is what filming looks like. Alright, so we are getting to the end of the day here. This didn't take me all day, it probably took me a few hours, but I just decided to take a little break while Jude was up. And we got a lot done so far. I have gone through everything in all of our cabinets and organized and decluttered those. We got 2 boxes of stuff to donate of just like old mugs and random things that we just don't use anymore, and someone else could get good use out of. The last thing I'm going to do is go ahead and tackle the fridge. We just got a grocery order, so this is the perfect time to do this because our fridge was basically empty before, but it's going to be pretty stocked up now. And I purposely tried to get it as empty as possible just so that it was a little bit easier to just wipe everything out, since I will be taking things out to clean it.
You might be the one that truly got me. I feel it too. You might be the one that truly got me. I feel it too. I feel it too. You might be the one that truly got me. I feel it too. You might be the one that truly got me. I feel it too. You might be the one that truly got me. I feel it too.
Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. If you liked it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and I will try to link all of the new products that I got for organizing down in the description box. If you would like to see more videos like this of other parts of the house doing some decluttering, rearranging, maybe I'll make a new little playlist for it. But yeah, thanks for stopping by. Bye guys.